everybody, this is Brad from Bass for Kicking the Bobo. Just out here this great Wednesday morning, out on the deck of my room, just sitting out here, looking at the ocean. I love the ocean. As somebody that can't swim, I love the ocean. It's beautiful as far as your eye can see, nothing but water, Only a God can create this. I just simply love it. Love it. It's peace. It's tranquility. You get to sit out here and enjoy the fresh air. I'm by myself. Mrs. Dasper, Kicking Bobo, is still in there asleep. Look at the clouds. The clouds are beautiful. The sun is coming up. It's just gorgeous. Like I said, only a God can create this. We're gonna be in Nassau. I don't know how long it's going to take us to get to Nassau from here. I know we're on our way. I know that last night we had to detour because there was someone that was in distress. So they had to detour the ship to go see what was going on in reference to that person that was in distress. I don't know what happened afterwards. I just went to sleep last night. Actually, I kind of went to bed kind of early, but I usually don't go to sleep until about 1 o'clock. I think I went to sleep at about 10 last night. That was kind of a waste of a lot of time, but next time, But we were on a discussion last night at the dinner table. My family and a couple more friends, we were talking about how that people who think that God is on their side, and how that if you believe that God has told you to do something, you are capable of a lot of atrocities. And that's what happened throughout the world and the world history. People believe that God has told them to do things that are very bad. God told them to put man to slavery. God said that because Noah cursed his grandson, one of his grandsons. Well, he comes from the son of Cush. It has nothing to do with the other one. It's crazy how people, in reference to their thinking and believing. Now, what I would like to do is before Christianity or Islam wasn't religion of the life. And maybe it wasn't one religion, maybe it was many religions. Who knows? But I'm pretty sure someone knows. I'm not a historical. Well, I love history, but I'm not historical in reference to that. But I would like to know, like to learn about something. I can see an island way off in the distance over there. That's not the island we're going to though. Because I know Christianity hit Africa first because it's the deal. The Arabs brought Islam to Africa, and the Jews brought Islam, brought Christianity to Africa. So why do we, as black folks, fight over a religion that two people brought to to Africa and enslaved us? Doesn't make sense. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm a Christian, and I believe in my faith. But why do we put so much into what they say and what they taught us? Because I don't. Right now, I'm in a situation where I'm reevaluating the way I've been taught Christianity. It's something to think about. The way I've been taught Christianity versus whether it's true or not. We know it's true. Too many historical facts. Something to think about, you know? But I'm gonna let you go now. As soon as we pull into the island, I'm gonna let you see Nassau in the raw, you know. And I'll get back with you all later.